When most people think about mathematics, they think about either the way they had it in high school, where they either really liked it or they didn't like it. Math has lots and lots of different areas that people study, whether it's number theory, topology, dynamical systems, analysis, applied math. And all these areas are growing and expanding and solving new problems all the time. So people mistakenly think that mathematics, all you can do with mathematics is teach, and that's totally wrong. So now what can you actually do with mathematics? Well, one area is data analytics, data science, big data. Companies that have hired our students and mathematicians are companies like Google, Microsoft, Facebook. Sports teams hire mathematicians to analyze data. Another area of mathematics is operations research. This is where you try to optimize a situation. So that could be UPS, it could be governments, airlines. They hire mathematicians to do these types of things. The world is becoming more technical, more data-driven, and mathematics is a great way to help out with that. In my role, I've talked to recruiters and employers from probably over 100 different companies that hire math students and math majors. And they've listed 4 things that they look for, or 4 reasons why they like to hire math students. And these include problem-solving skills. If you're a math student, you're going to be doing lots of solving of problems. And so problem-solving skills. The ability to abstract, be able to take an idea and put it in a new situation, but still realize that it's the same type of problem. Paying attention to detail is a third thing that they mention. They really like the fact that math students are really good at paying attention to detail. And the fourth thing that they've mentioned is that math students think of problems differently than other types of majors. And so they offer new insight or different insight into how to solve a problem. So those are 4 skills that employers have said why they like to hire math students. What makes math different than physics or computer science or engineering? It's a good question. When I've talked to employers, the 2 things that they mention about math students that make them a little different than other STEM students are the ability to abstract a problem. So sometimes other majors, they're really good at solving the problem really quickly, but the math majors, you learn the ability to abstract a problem, to put it into a different context and be able to solve it in a new setting, and then recognize that it's similar to an earlier problem. And then another thing they pointed out is that math students bring a different perspective. To me, math is fun. It's like a game. It's like a puzzle. If you like a challenge like a puzzle, here's the puzzle. Can you solve it? That's what makes math exciting to me. I'll be truthful. Math is hard. Math's not easy. It's not an easy major, but it can be fun, and it's like solving a game. And in addition to all that, there are hundreds of jobs available for math majors. Sometimes students think, well, I'm really good at math. Why should I? But there's no jobs except to be a teacher. Well, that's not true. Now is the 21st century. We live in a data-driven society. Math is a perfect job for analyzing data. Lots and lots of jobs, whether it's Google, whether it's Utah Jazz, whether it's Target, whether it's working for an airline. All those companies really want math students. Last summer, we went to Nike in Amsterdam. They were looking to hire more math students to help them with their sales. So math is fun, math is hard, but math is a challenge that is like a game and a puzzle.